Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about Botmaster tool. Botmaster tool is a WhatsApp automation tool. By using this tool you can send WhatsApp messages to unknown numbers. No need any number to your contact list. Okay, and you can create also chatbot and group grab and number filter also. You can see here the interface of Botmaster. This Botmaster is the latest version 12.5. By using this tool you can send unlimited WhatsApp messages and create chatbot, group grabber and number filter facility also available in this tool. If you want to promote your WhatsApp business by WhatsApp marketing, so you can use this tool and promote your business and create your chatbot for auto reply to your customers. Okay, first of all need to link your WhatsApp account. Which WhatsApp account? Which WhatsApp account which you want to use for WhatsApp marketing, and which WhatsApp account you use to chatbot. Okay, first of all click on open WhatsApp open WhatsApp button and showing the QR code. After showing the QR code you need to link your WhatsApp account as it is WhatsApp web. Okay, after link your WhatsApp account you can send easily WhatsApp messages. Okay, first of all section you can check here auto reply. Auto reply means chatbot and you want to create chatbot, so click on auto reply rule means it suppose that if anyone send you a message hi and you want to send against the hi message like how can I help you, how are you, so you can create rules here for specific keywords. Okay, like hi, hello, how are you, etc. Okay, so you can create your chatbot like this. And if you want to grab your any WhatsApp group which you have also joined, so you can use group grabber tool and scrap the group numbers and send individually message to all members of that group. Okay, here you can see WhatsApp number. Click the three lines and add numbers and add messages here like message 1, message 2. You can add also multiple messages for avoid the blocking the number. If you create multiple message, so all message different type also. Okay, and if you want to send attachment in your WhatsApp bulk campaign, so you can click the three lines button and choose add file and choose your media like image, PDF, video and send the campaign. Okay, so if you want to use this Botmaster tool, so you can contact me for cheap price of Botmaster tool. Okay,